Kofi Adoma also got married. And afterwards something happened. I felt from what I'm hearing, he left his wife and left his children. I don't know what happened. And no Sanya Mano, and Ma and Tritio Musao.
Okay.
And Mama was very powerful. Mama very delicate. And Titi Masa and Titin and Bana, you sack them from the house. It becomes a curse on you. Bible said that don't be deceived. God is not mocked. Whatsoever a man soweth, so shall he reap. I mean, Gidi said, be a treatment now, the man, former wife, uncle ye. And also, and release the blessing. Some more things happening behind the scene. Was setting Yamabi, were invoking, before we be a one dida. There be a dwarfs be a one dida. Were invoking Yamabia, I call it affected some strongholds be a Omokuitiano. And our serpent beer, what I said, it comes back to fight you. If you had man should see a man of God, if you see a pastor, they will direct him, beg all the people that he has wrong, and then maybe the Lord can come through for him. There's a call of God upon Kofi Adoma's life, and then out of that, between Abedani Sofo, and to Kofi Adoma between Abedani, prophet and master apostle, and I pastor.
Pastor Yebra Kofi Adoma woni eba abonten eba ye press conference one na busua eba kire ni wom ene sene ensem nyina esiko ye free afashe no ahase edibesi pempenso a wo mako yare no akwakodru no ene reactions bebre ene ba media no so ne ebi eka ene se oh a spiritual problem ebi so e kire se ne boni bi a wadi ene nyame etua ne so ka efi ahwase ne ga eba abonten kwa ron de obebo se kire se nyame a osom no ena edina asema ma nti wetua Kofi Adoma wani so ka enam ne a wode ye no bi ene ye question na ye bisa no se sen ena nyame wotua ka wode boni etua ka ana enyema bi anipa ya na ye no esunsun so aso no eba ye so with 1,000 folds ana se sen ena ya na eti ene mensaka apostle Dr. Sakwa Mante ewo menchen ha ye ne no eba betwetwe enkomo tebusia ka no ho niema doctor akwaba bibia woko
Bibia very fine.
Daddy, me did say Yebra Kofi Adoma woni ni video si eba bonten we bia hwe.
Ma shepa.
O share ye na utie commentary a enam ho ne ensem a eboba no. Dey na beka fa.
They make far counsel sorry for him and his wife for what had happened. He's a very good journalist, a very nice person. And the idea said people came up. One of the people that came up to do this that I was very happy about is Ibrahim Mama Wayade. And see, he's a philanthropist, a beast. We need people like that. We need God to bless people so they can bless others. I've always said that the good Samaritan, like Mr. Church has always said, that he didn't have a good heart, but he had money also. So he was able to help. So I'm very happy about that. But I think that we have to learn lessons from that. Whilst I'm sorry for what had happened to him, Phil said, Nyamabi wa ABI was anka. Nyama yanka on trading cautious with Kaka. If you the video those days between Domahin and Santini and then some of the comments he passed and some of the things that he inferred said, the Doma people don't know what they're about. And I feel that that's why people are trying to say, maybe Domahin was part, because that's where the thing happened. And so, people are speculating, say, this is the reason why it happened. But I feel say we have to learn lessons in journalism. Our comments in the Nyama can. And so we see them and forget them, only to go and meet a challenge. Until Kasa, now I shall win Kaka. That is one lesson. Second lesson, as Sian said, Kofi Adoma also got married. And afterwards something happened. I felt from what I'm hearing, he left his wife and left his children. I don't know what happened. And no Sanya Mano, and Ma and Tritio Musao. And Mama was very powerful. Mama very delicate. And Titi Masa and Titin and Bana, you you sack them from the house, it becomes a curse on you. Bible said that don't be deceived. God is not mocked. Whatsoever a man soweth, so shall he reap. I mean, GD said they are treatment now, the man, former wife, no uncle, and also and release the blessing. I bet me about say, some more things happening behind the scene. And dear meaning. But these are the two things I said, my count said, for lessons to be learned. But I pray that he recovers. I don't know the state he finds himself. It looks like the eye is really very badly damaged. The bomb pass already by sunny. Some of the comments thank God for and I'm Ghana so to me sure. Yeah, for almost getting medium. Kasa social media idea concerning this young man. Very bad. But we see I don't know Kofi. I don't know Kasa. But we see I don't know the plaster. I could carry in so now the plaster. No, it is not time to talk about plaster. But what I said. Yemani Akwa na any kind of
Kafra,
Yemani Kafra. And then, console him and strengthen him. Microphone can say, "Yen jazz and Yaman." And Yan Bon Pie Man send a bear at Yankasa, Bessani area. Nuna, or Betunia Sian will be a frame, or they are Bonnie Bra, what they can say. So I think, this is what the comment I want to pass.
That the ones who kasa no say the first wife no near what to see a bit say when treaty or banny it could be say be a yaudi be or banny cool no and not any case be a man
very possible.
It be so say once upon a time there was a guy be a near friend Daddy Lumba Junior. Now or yet and you want to say Daddy Lumba. Or no so cause our states in every but on the need to Yaren a bay now almost any fry. And Mark could feed in a platform a one or GG's cassette or the papa servants and Yaren. Wait to me answer Yama. Ama a branch in the bush near your home for Abba Bonta because I did now or ye na or GG's Academy and one first Academy now money and no tea and on why ye be so soon a money to Kofi at no. It be so say or name Kofi be to say if you are snigger or be to say your mamma pata grada. Woman in Abba Bonta because Kofi Adoma your my dear be a one fat idea on your mind in ye. Enunti ena ne atu woman atu Kofi no atu no. Why soon so many panais of penny Misa say ye diniato Kofi ko she kama say na kama dini juma.
Me suffer do me fan of karma.
Okay.
Me fan of spiritual principle.
Okay.
Meaning say this over what I say was setting yama be what invoke nkofo bi a wan dida e bia dwarfs bi a wan dida wan invoke yama bi a akọ affect some strongholds bi a omo create ano and serpents bi a what I said uye yama bi a it comes back to fight you. And yet I don't call it karma, but I call it spiritual laws.
Okay.
And the spiritual realm, there are laws that work. They say quickly, no, yes, Adiana. They say serve on okay. And sometimes open confession. The Bible says that confess your sins one to another. And take open confession. Oh, yes, Anna. And take maybe Kofi Adoma should see a man of God. He should see a pastor. They will direct him, beg all the people that he has wronged. And then maybe the Lord can come through for him. We better say we are scientifically mean answer, but everything starts from the spirit first.
Okay.
What you said.
So is it possible? Say be bisawo.
It's very possible. Yeah.
Getting a sight.
Getting a sight. It's possible. Say, put me born by my daughter. Because say way anywhere to me, but super nyami to me. Yeah, century. Miracles most of the time. I can't say the person is clinically dead. Cannot walk, and it will not make human sense. But with God, Matthew 19:27, all things are possible. Mean the person in person, will be person in life. Person will be a young, repenty. I want people well. Then we can say what you say. And it doesn't matter what has happened to anybody. God can still restore. Who can you wait? Near answer no na. Oh yeah. Jesus, we fell. So things can go bad, but God can put it. Ebia, Kofi Adoma to me, I Daniel Sofo, and I'm but through that, but to me, Daniel prophet, and as apostle, what I said, now I come and said, That's why people become pastors sometimes. So funny man, yes, sir. Obi person fast car, no biana, or person year ministry through money. Me our family now. And my friend is so announced, baby, anything can happen. Maybe there's a call of God upon Kofi Adoma's life, and then out of that, bet you never done it so.
Out of Niatuni.
Yeah, but you know that with an so.
So say I be as friend the one as well. Na say edwuma na one person obey it na me person oye edwuma no but na bibi say na ana onya den dodo
ebetumi nyame na me friend you to me find there go anything you cannot ban the work of God. You cannot the me afro be only the offer man son or putani prophet and as of botany apostle and so to me cassette on to me a prophet and on to me a apostle and to confirm me to me abedani prophet and as apostle and I pastor. What I said, even in state, now can you say? Approaching people will be one way, won't say no money inside, no more preaching and and they will make impact. After all, what shall he profit a man if he gains the whole world and loses his own soul? Then can say what I say. This world is very deep, and your lives in know. And life is not just about how many years you live here. But there's more life after death. What you can say there's eternity. And Tabia, but my done suffer. Abia, obey advice you be Abia. I mean, healing grace we get to me about so. But some go for your idea. And God works in mysterious ways. That's what I say. God works in mysterious ways. And you there. I wish him all the best. I wish him quick recovery. Send a bear of a bar, but when you're
won a press conference na se woni fie ho no abra na ono a wo kasa no wo kire se ne ato no kra wonte ase na statement ba ko a wo ye ya ebi mo kire se ase Kofi no woni nyame ni wo kire se ne atumi ne nti ase na nanom ba ha nti o kidi se omo begunsa na wo mo abisa ebi so kire se omo be hya ase no sofo de ka be bo mpaye nti o wogidie bi se nkanya be ya mana ko kasa sofo mo mpaye ma no na wakasa na nanom ngunsa ne de ene na wo nche da nyame ni
na se I feel na na chance. A true timer who will be okay. The ready to me for me, now to me, I own Yami. What's the mechanic say? Maybe before then, no Yami and answer you, which did other things well. By due time, I saw Yami until a young bomb man and by force by young bomb permanent and bomb passage and what God intends to happen, I don't never see.
na lese se obi ya ade tie wa nyame mfa bone ntua obi kan ma wo se bia metiwe mi se kama ga na ya ade tie me na bone bi atom me se me oyedi tie a me ntina sa ade na atom no e betima possible sir.
Of course, yeah. Okay. Of course, betima sir. I mean betima sir. Now yeah, spiritual work, I'm very preventive in helping people not to go through some of those things. But how Jan is I ever see. Yeah, to me you'll be born in a because spiritually, why invoking a principle like that could tell what I say, there's forgiveness and answer baby. Yeah, that's how the spiritual realm operates. Except for forgiveness. What did they mean?
Near atu ya bra Kofi, ebi mu so kire se dodo na e na ebodo mahene achi. Se onya ade, se up to now, na asase so na asase bi besi. Ontimi mba abonten e meka ase omuhu ne se komia se entokwa bi eda doma ne asantefo ntem no enu tina masa de no ekoso oje ensem isen
only in conformity to me speculative be no sure yeah that was what can be because this is very speculative what you say before say nobody has any proof so we are it's normal. I mean we can all make those things. What I want to say is that I want to concentrate more on Kofi Adoma. That the best thing to do is focus, get counseling, get prayers. What is happening will become clearer and he will get the best out of his life. It's not over with him. So it's not over with him in life. And we let him have so attending in life. You want to go into that, about creating more conflict. The Mahini, Asantehini, me and my pastor, I want peace. So what's the way can I say?
also so na ke nim say politics na ya na impempi na tete yentem but I say come here say tribalism no so ba
and it's very unfortunate to me tia say the entire banisa on say Ghana for and tisa we intermarry enjoy sad there no and people everybody we are the same what I said can able to me aware asante ni when I able to me aware domani and we intermarry. I don't think it's a very good thing to do. Every culture is unique. Everybody is unique. When you find strength in somebody from the Ashanti region, you find another different strength in somebody from Greater Accra or something from Adoma or something. Obiara is different, Obiara is special, Obiara is unique. Ignaya do Ghana for Bako. Let's not stimulate tribalism. Ember. Yeah, worry, fine. Over Accra, they have a proverb. They call it Abakumawe. Do you understand? Which means that the foreigners should come and join us.
Oh, okay.
Because no one does Abakumawe, which means the foreigners come and join us. Okay. Because those are someone does. Until somebody you see somebody, you go to Su. There's a place called Su Ashanti.
Okay.
Are you aware?
Mm-hmm.
No, there's a place called Su Ashanti.
Okay.
You go to Su, and when you go to Toplum, some of them are coming from Akwamu. They still go back. Those days, you still go back to Akwamu and all that. I know about that culture, but we intermarry. We need to be closely knitted. I don't like the tribalism bit. Let's love each other and let's be one. It's only in Ghana that Muslims and Christians are one. Why are we creating? We are peaceful-minded people. You see a place as a mosque and then there's a church. And I will say that's by nature. And where are we stimulating this to? And to enjoy side, before saying,
okay. That the way the common AC, a day na walk a foot to bend, I would do to Magna air by and be of one horse Saturday.
The American says, oh, family wine in a counseling in the multiple in the midst of multiple counseling, there is always safety. What is the can I say? Man, thank God for because what Kofi Adoma needs is a lot of counseling, and he should allow himself for the Lord to speak to him through people. Secondly, he should learn lessons from it, and he should keep courage, because God can turn anything anyway. Now, if you're for how be an ask me, I won't say. Just begin to still put your trust in God. The Bible says that trust in the Lord your God and lean not on your own understanding. Proverbs chapter 3, verse 5. And one of the culture, the youth. Amen. Just focus on God and just keep going and believe that the Lord will come through for you. He can't kill himself. He can't throw in the towel. Whatever it is, don't quit.
Apostle Dr. Sakwa Mante, General Overseer, Yawoda Faith Army Chapel International, Ano, and not Yanino Attitude and Kumi Mesro. Now, where your comment, a video yesterday, Manafi. Send no first time when we are subscriber to so a too much GH. I have a bell on the council, upload the Beatu pay, only first person on a bit in Yaka. Yet the apostle number no ever to screen no assay. I feel all the social media platforms no cover a too much GH. Also, a Yaka is over subscribe, and I feel like share. I'm a winner being so any blush. That gold any damages so. Macra.